boys, running at low idle. I put the choke right off. Choke is wide open. Low idle. Baby's running beautiful, man. I'm telling you. It usually starts less than three cranks. Cold. By cold, I mean not running. Hasn't been running all day. Hasn't ran actually since yesterday morning. So, pretty good. So, I'm going to stop the video here and we're going to jump on it and take it for a spin around. Sit tight. Alright, you guys, we're going to take it for a spin. It's going to be terrible camera angle, of course. Get a close up here with a beautiful. This is actually a Planet Junior wheel. A Planet Junior cultivator. This was a walk behind cultivator. 15-inch diameter, fits perfect. Alright guys, just idle down. Much to see, but I figured I'd take you for the ride. That's a DCS ranch. Beautiful. Excellent. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I got another little update here. Sit tight. Alright guys, I wasn't certain what I was going to do with this 40 Farmall, part it out or fix it up, keep it, sell it, whatever. Still pretty undecided about it, but while I have it, I'm going to, and I got it running good, I'm going to treat her a little more respect, certainly than she had from the previous owner sitting under that tree for 3 years. That was ridiculous. So, just got a little announcement to make about this 1940. I am going to be cleaning it up more and giving it a quick paint job. And it's not going to just be a red paint job, red a simple Farmall paint job. It's going to be something a little special, a little different I have in mind. And the only hint I'm going to give you is it's going to be ready on June 14th.